Oil. It's a word that stirs up all kinds of emotions. Some people fear it, some love it, and others still are downright confused by it. But today, we're diving into a specific oil, a golden elixir, so potent, so beneficial, it might just be the best kept secret in health. And here's the kicker. Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about it because it could make half their drugstore shelves irrelevant. Intrigued? You should be. This oil isn't just something you drizzle on your salad or toss into a pan for sautéing. It's an ancient powerhouse of healing, nourishment, and restoration. What is it? Cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil. But wait, don't roll your eyes and think, "Oh, I've heard this before." Because you haven't. Not like this. Let's start with what makes this oil a miracle worker. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy kind that reduces inflammation, balances cholesterol, and protects against cardiovascular disease. But what sets it apart are its polyphenols, antioxidants, so potent they've been scientifically shown to combat oxidative stress, the very thing that drives aging and chronic illness. In other words, olive oil doesn't just keep you healthy, it can help you turn back the clock. Now, here's the part Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. In regions like the Mediterranean, where olive oil consumption is a daily ritual, rates of heart disease, Alzheimer's, and even certain cancers are staggeringly low. These communities don't just survive, they thrive living longer, healthier lives without popping pills for every ailment. Coincidence? Not a chance. But it doesn't stop there. Olive oil's benefits go way beyond heart health. Studies show that its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe joint pain and even reduce symptoms of arthritis. Got digestive issues? Olive oil promotes gut health by nurturing your microbiome, the tiny army of good bacteria in your stomach that keeps your immune system strong. And let's not forget your skin. Cleopatra didn't slather herself in olive oil for nothing. Its vitamin E content and moisturizing properties make it a natural anti-aging remedy, reducing wrinkles, healing scars, and giving your skin that goddess-like glow. But not all olive oils are created equal. Here's where things get tricky. The shelves at your local grocery store are full of imposters, so-called olive oils diluted with cheaper, less healthy oils or extracted with heat and chemicals that strip away the good stuff. If your olive oil doesn't say cold-pressed and extra virgin on the label, it's time to toss it. The real deal should taste bold, almost peppery, and trust me, once you've tried it, you'll never go back. And let's address a common misconception. But isn't oil fattening? Sure, it's calorie-dense. But here's the secret: when consumed in moderation, olive oil can actually help with weight management. Its healthy fats keep you feeling full longer, reducing the urge to snack on junk food. Plus, it supports hormonal balance, which is key for everything from energy levels to metabolism. So why doesn't everyone know about this? Simple. Olive oil doesn't come with a patent. Big Pharma can't profit from something you can grab at your local farmer's market. Instead, they push pills, creams, and treatments that address symptoms, not root causes. But olive oil? It gets to the heart of the matter, literally and figuratively. Here's how to get started. First, swap out all those processed vegetable oils lurking in your kitchen. Goodbye, canola. See ya, soybean. and replace them with high-quality olive oil. Use it as a dressing, a marinade, or even a dip for whole grain bread. Just don't cook it at high heat that can damage its delicate nutrients. Second, make it a habit. 2 tablespoons a day is all it takes to start seeing benefits. Whether it's drizzled over roasted veggies, blended into a smoothie, or simply taken straight from the spoon. Yes, people actually do this. Consistency is key. Lastly, don't just take my word for it. Experience it for yourself. Your body is a machine, and olive oil is the premium fuel it's been craving. Start today, and you'll feel the difference in your energy, your mood, and even your appearance. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this challenge. For the next 2 weeks, incorporate olive oil into your daily routine. Then come back and tell me how you feel. I guarantee you'll notice changes that no over-the-counter product could ever deliver. And hey, don't forget to check out our previous videos for more health-transforming secrets Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. Like, comment, and share if this resonated with you. It's time we all take control of our health, one golden drop at a time. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay curious, and stay you.